What's going on, guys? We are back with another video. Before we get into what this video is about, we want to say a big thank you for hitting us 1,000 subscribers. That's a huge mile marker, and
we appreciate it.
Thanks a lot. So now for our big announcement. As you can tell from our scenery behind us,
things look a little different from Florida.
Yeah, it's a little different. So we moved officially, and we moved officially to
Utah.
Yeah, so we literally moved across country. That's why you haven't seen videos for about the last 2.5 weeks. We came from Florida all the way through a bunch of southern states, some interesting, some not as interesting, and ended up here in Utah. So with the big announcement and hitting our huge milestone, also wanted to take this time, if you have any suggestions or things you want to come see to the channel, leave a comment below. I read all the comments, we read them all, so if you have any things that you guys want to see, especially out here, let us know.
Also, if you guys are out here, you're out west, you make a trip out here, you live out here, you know trails, DM us, leave us a comment. We'd love to make some new friends, go camping, go overlanding, and explore out here, because we're not from here. So yeah,
So definitely we need new friends, so make sure to hit us up in the comments. So if you've made it this far, leave a like for us moving to Utah, and subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
bye.